Good morning, class 3. Welcome to our Abacus classes. So today I'm going to teach you about Abacus, how do we count in this, and then we will apply finger methods for it, because you might not be having Abacus tool right now, but we can use our fingers and count it as well. So let's start it. Abacus is a tool. So this is Abacus, and if you could see, there are yellow beads here. So I am drawing few beads so that we can count the values on the beads. So this is an answer line. Answer line. This is upper bead, this is lower bead. This is also known as heaven beads, and this is earth beads. Now, when we count these beads, the value below the line is 1. So all the values of the beads have a value of 1 each, and the values above the line, above the answer line, is 5. So you need to keep this in mind. When we are counting in our Abacus tool, always make sure that you are counting from right side of the tool. So now none of the beads are touching answer line. So that means this is 0 now. When we are counting in the Abacus, we always count from the right side. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now tell me, how much is this? 2, correct. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So the values of the lower bead is 4. But when we move on to 5, what we do? We bring this upper bead down. So the value of this bead will be 5 now. So you have to count this as 5. So let's start counting once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5. But make sure when you are bringing it down, all the beads have to be removed, because this will be 5 now. 5. If we move on further, 5, then 6, because the upper bead has got a value of 5, and suppose if we have to bring one more, so we bring one more from down. So the total becomes 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in total, we have 9 in the last line. Let's do this again. 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if nothing is touching this line, that means this is 0. I hope you understood this. As you don't have an Abacus tool right now with you, so we can do one more thing. We can count it in our fingers. The value of the fingers. This is 5 in your school. Of course, we count it as 5. But in Abacus, this is 9 for us. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 5 now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You need to keep two things in mind. The first thing is, don't count single digits on left hand. This should be done in the right hand. Second thing, if you come to 8, you will have a problem. So just keep it loose. So let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now let's guess the numbers now. 2, 4, 5, 1, 5, 5, 7. That's correct. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9 now. Now, how do we count in our abacus tool and our fingers? So this is more important. The values of both the hands in our finger is 99. So we will do it after this class gets over, in the next class. Fine. So let's add a few numbers in abacus tool and make it easy now. Suppose I'm writing few questions here. So let's count this in abacus tool. So come to the right side of our abacus. So the first question is 2. So what we do is we bring 2 beads here. After that again we have to add 2. We count. We don't have any signs in abacus. We don't have addition sign in abacus books. So you need to keep this in mind. We don't have a plus sign here. When there is no sign, that means that is addition. So keep this in mind. 2. Again we have to add 2. So we have to bring 2 more beads here. 1, 2. Now this is 5. So we have to bring 5 down. So this is 5 now, to bring it down. Now let's do the total of it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Let's do the second question. 3, 1 minus 2. 3, 1. So we have to bring 1 bead. 1 and minus 2. We have to remove 2 beads now. So move it from downside. 1, 2. So what is the answer? 2. Correct. 8, 1 minus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8. Then we have to bring 1. Bring 1 and minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the value of this? 1 or 5? Correct. This is 5 now. So the answer is 5. Let's do this 3 more questions now in our abacus tool, and then we will move on to our finger concept. 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 3. So we need to remove 3. 1, 2, 3. And we have to bring 2. 1, 2. So now let's count the total. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8 here. 1, 5, 1. We have to add these numbers. So 1. Then we have to bring 5. 5. And then again 1. 1. 5, 6, 7. You guessed it right. The answer is 7. And the last one. 6, 5, 6. Minus 5. Minus 5 means we have to remove 5. So remove 5. And then we have to bring 2. So 1, 2. So what is the answer here? 1, 2, 3. Correct. So this is a concept which we did in our abacus tool. Let's move on to our finger concept now. While doing our finger concept, make sure one thing. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, let's note down few questions now. 4 minus 2, 5. 2, 1, 5. 5, 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 5, 7 minus 5 minus 2, and the last one is 8 minus 3 and 4. Okay. One more thing which is very important, whenever you remove your fingers, suppose if we are removing 3 from 4, so what we do? We can't remove this. We have to remove from down. 1, 2, 3. So in fingers also we have the same process. So if we have to bring 5, this is 5. If we have to bring 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if there is a subtraction, if we need to deduct 2 from here, so we deduct it from this side. This is our downside. So 1, 2. So we have to remove from the back. You just need to keep this in mind. So let's start few questions from here. Number 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2. We have to remove 2 fingers. 1, 2. And then bring 5. So we have to bring 5. Don't make a mistake of bringing 5 like this again. This is abacus, not normal mathematics. In normal maths, you can bring 5 here and you can count the fingers. But in abacus, you have to bring 5 like this. So this is 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Now I want you all to do this with me now. Take your right hand out. Very good. Make it 0. 2. So bring 2. 1, 2. Then bring 1. 1. Now we have to bring 5. So we have to bring 5. Yeah, you can hold your fingers like this. No problem. So the total is 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's do this. 5. Then we have to bring 2. 1, 2. Then again we have to bring 2. 1, 2. So the total is 5 or 9? Correct. This is 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 2. We have to remove 2. So from the back. 1, 2. And then we need to bring 5. So bring 5. So the total is 5, 6. 7, 5, 6, 7. Minus 5. Remove 5. Correct. Minus 2 from the back. 1, 2. So the answer is 0. And the last one. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 3. We need to remove 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we have to bring 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total is 9. I hope you all understood this. Let's do few oral questions now. I'll be dictating few questions. Be ready and listen to me properly so that we can solve it easily. Two, 1, 2, 5. So we have to bring 5. 1. So the total is 8. Correct. Make it 0 again. So the time I say you next, make it 0. Fine. 9. Minus 3. Minus 5. So the answer is 1. Correct. Next. 8. Minus 5. So we have to remove 5. And then 1. Bring one more finger. 1. So the total is 4. Correct. 9. Minus 3. Minus 5. 2. So the answer is 3. Next. 4. Minus 3. 5. Answer is 5, 6. Next. 8. Minus 3. minus 5, 4, minus 2. Answer is 2. Next, 7, minus 5, 1, minus 3. Next, what was the answer? 0. Next, 8, minus 3, 2, minus 5, 1. So the answer is 3. Next,